How to make a cinemagraph in Canva. So creating a cinemagraph in Canva involves transforming a static image into a captivating animated visual. So prepare your image. For example, this is my image here, and this is my another image which the exact head. So I have cut out the head from here. If you don't know how to do it, just go to, if you have the background remover, then it's great. If you don't have, then you can just go to this website remove.pg and you can remove the background. Now I have resized the image, so make sure you resize the image however you want. Now access animation features, go to the apps section in Canva. So this is app section, and here you have to search for one app which is called image, and here image animate, right? And here you will see this option image animate. Now search for it. Now you will see a lot of option, but I want this one, image animate. Go and click on here, click on open, right? And here you will get this option. So for example, I want to animate just the head here, right? And you can describe the video, right? So this here, it's a prompt. For example, here you can just write, if you don't know anything, for example, you want to make your head bigger, right? So I don't know anything, so I will just ask here that inspire me, and here they will just give me some idea. For example, there's a man with a beard and a suit and a tie, right? That's great. Motion all. For example, if you want motion just only one image, just go and select parallax here. AI tools, so I will just put it here auto, right? Nothing else here. Right now click on the generate button to create the animation. Wait for a few seconds as the Canva process your request here. If you go and check here video settings, and there are video settings. For example, this is a motion range, the intensity of the motion effects, when the speed, right? This is a motion length. For I want only for 5 second, number of loops, that it should be loop or not. So I don't want any loop here, right? So this is how you can do. So just go and click on generate. Sometimes you will get this option of loading your credit. It means that you have used it already, right? So make sure that it's not exactly free. You have to buy the subscription here, and this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.